Do you feel that at your company, some divisions or business units advance talent more rapidly than the others? I call them elevator divisions. And in this video, you will learn how to spot them, understand them, and use them for your benefit. Let's go. Hi, it's Lassi Albin. Welcome to my channel, where I share weekly tips and advice on how you can accelerate your career. I'm a senior certified coach with an industry background, and I've had the opportunity to career coach hundreds of talented individuals like yourself. In case you're up for a weekly career acceleration tips, subscribe below and hit the notification bell. Elevator divisions. Most of the mid-size and large companies, they have them. Talent moves faster, external talent is brought in more often, lateral moves take place. Sometimes these divisions feel almost like standalone companies for their different dynamics. So what are they? How to spot them and how to benefit from them? They are strategically or operationally important parts of the company, where the company places extra focus on talent and resources. This is not to say that the rest of the organization is not important, but these divisions, they just get an extra hug of love. These divisions differ per company, and it really depends on their line of business and how they are organized. Frequently, in-house consulting is an easy one to spot. They're mostly ex-strategy consultants who got tired of sleeping in hotels, mixed with a selected few of non-consultants from the company. They work on the cool stuff behind the scenes and attached to executive teams, strategy building, M&A, productivity topics, and so on. Other examples would include corporate finance or operations management. Some companies prefer to keep the power at HQ and ship their people into leadership positions across the globe. Large companies following this strategy, they will have a lot of rotational opportunities, making them these elevator divisions. Headquarters, in-house audit teams, traveling globally, that's another good example as well. So spotting them is actually quite straightforward. Where does movement happen in positions every 2 to 3 years? And talent either takes very interesting roles vertically or moves across countries into leadership positions. These are also the guys who you see popping in and out of meetings when there's strategic importance. Expect also that the heads of these divisions have a lot of power and influence within the executive teams and people movement. In addition to these clear-cut divisions, you can also have the talented division leaders who are on a personal mission to develop and advance their talent from their teams. And given that they have power across organization, they can be the type of leaders who make rapid advancement possible for you. Unfortunately, the probability of landing under a manager like this is less likely, and a hardcore elevator division has better odds for your success. Good. So how can you benefit from elevator divisions? First of all, you need to ask the questions, are you on an elevator division at the moment? Do you understand how it works? Who has the power and makes advancement possible in the first place? What is the process of advancing? Are you visible enough? What do you need to do on your part to bridge the gap to the next level? Second would be, have you spotted the elevator divisions? If they're not the one where you're sitting in, have you spotted the elevator divisions? In case you feel that you could advance more rapidly or you would like to make a lateral switch, where would you go? Do you have the requirements, and what is your strategy to get there? If you don't have the requirements, can you build them up? Third, in case none of the elevator divisions seem like a good fit for you, maybe you're working in R&D, for example, How do you collaborate with people? Over there to get updates, learn from them, and get the best available data to your disposal. There you are. Spot the elevator divisions, learn from them, potentially join them, or at least collaborate with them. Regardless of your path, it will advance your career. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.